Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to log into your Zara account using the Zara app on your mobile device. So let's get started. Launch open the Zara application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, which looks like this, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Human button. Now this will take you to account.zara.com. In the login field available on the screen, go ahead and write down your email and password. Type in your email address for your existing account. Make sure to type it down correct and write down a password on the next field. After filling in your credentials, click on Login. And soon after you do that, you have successfully logged into your Zara account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.